Hey guys, what's up? This time I have brought for you a long term price action analysis of Nifty. Now we are looking at the weekly chart of Nifty and we can see that while being in the bull run, Nifty was getting some significant support from these regions. For better visualization, let me just indicate these regions for you. By joining the higher lows of the candles, we can get the trend line that provides support to the candles. Here we can observe that after getting significant supports from the trend line, the price took a halt at 15,500 region and then it moved in a parallel channel. After that, the price gave a solid breakout and moved towards the 1600 region. And that 1600 region is now acting as a strong resistance over here. And now the price is at a very crucial level over here. Either the price has to break out the 1600 region and continue its bullish trend, or the price has to come for some correction over here. This is the first breakout level which will now act as a fast immediate support while the price is getting retraced, and if the price doesn't able to hold this region, then it might also go for the second immediate support and subsequently it might move. It is always advisable to look out for a confirmation in Nifty before taking any fresh positions for long term. Now, in the comment section, you have to tell what is the most probable Nifty movement coming up, either bullish or bearish. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll catch up on the next one.